This is a room tour of Junior Suite 9624 on Adventure of the Seas. And this room is located right by the elevators. As you come into the room, you have the bed on one side, on your left, your sitting area, and then your desk area. So as we start out looking at the map on the back of the door, our muster station is D18, which is located down here on deck 4, and we are on deck 9. Again, this is 9624, and it is right by the elevator. So it's very convenient, and we really don't have an issue with noise from the elevator area right there. So as you come into the room, on your right, we have the full-size closet, walk-in closet. That's one of the perks of having a junior suite, is you get this large closet area. There's plenty of shelving here. There are a lot of hangers. And then you have your Royal Caribbean robes, and these do say they are extra large. And as you come into the room on the left side of the door, you have almost a full-length mirror, and you have this little side table here. It kind of sticks out, so you're going to have to watch that as you're going in and out of the bathroom. And then bathroom for a junior suite. You have the bathtub. That's another one of the perks of the junior suite, is you have the full-size bathtub. You have the shower head, which can go up and down. You can adjust the height on that. And then you have the Salted Breeze amenities. You have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. So nice big bathtub and shower. Okay. Then on the other side, we have the sink, the nice mirror, and there is storage in these mirrors on each side of the sink. So here you can see these mirrors, or the storage behind the mirror. There's additional storage under the sink. And then there is a small step up into the bathroom. All right, back into the rest of the room. We have the king-size bed. There's a small table on each side. There's lights. Looks like there's like a little reading light there. Nice artwork on the wall. And the phone is on this side of the bed. On each one of these light fixtures on each side of the bed, there is a USB port at the bottom of the light fixture. So you do have a USB port on each side of the bed. And we have the sofa. There is a small table, and you have these two chairs. And then we can move over and look at the desk area on the other side of the room. So the desk area runs the whole length of this wall, and we can start by looking in this first section, this first cabinet. There's plenty of shelves. It's very deep, lots of storage here. Then you have the mirror. There's lights on both sides of the mirror. And in these mirrors on each side, there is storage behind the small mirrors on each side of the lighted mirror. And then as far as plugs in the room, they're here at the desk. The European plug is on the right side. And then over here on the left side, you have your two American plugs. Those are the only plugs in the room. And then at this desk area, you've got lots of drawers. The hairdryer is here. It is a fairly new hair dryer. It has an on-off switch, so it's not one where you have to hold the button down. So it looks like a decent hair dryer. And then in this middle drawer, you have your room service menus. So for breakfast, you fill that out and put it on your door. The continental breakfast is complimentary. The hot breakfast is a delivery fee of $7.95. More drawers. And then below the TV, there's just storage down here. And then you have a TV. It's a little bit smaller TV, but it's all right. And it does swivel out. And to access these cabinets above the TV, you need to have the TV swiveled out to be able to get into these cabinets. Okay. And then the second area of the desk is just a desk, but a lot of space here. Down here at the very end, we have the coffee maker. Below that is the cooler. So it's a smaller cooler, but it looks like it'll get the job done, keep things cold. And then above the coffee maker, we have the safe, and it is also a little bit smaller safe than we've had on some ships. You see my hand just fits in there. So it's going to hold your passports, wallets, things like that. And then above that is more storage. So lots of storage in this room. And then we will head out onto the balcony. This room is on the bump out. As you come out here, I'll give you an overview. One side of this is a little bit wider because it is starting the bump out of the ship here. This other side is a little bit narrower. Okay, and there are 2 chairs, and each chair has a little footstool with it, and then a nice table, nice large table. Sit out here and have your coffee in the morning. We are in Port Canaveral today. Nice view. Here you can see like we're on the bump out. So we can't really see towards the front of the ship, but we can see the whole back of the ship. This is where you can see we're on the start of the bump out for the ship. And then we'll give an overview of the balcony from this side. So again, 2 chairs with footstools and a nice large table. So again, this is Adventure of the Seas. We are in Junior Suite 9624 in Port Canaveral.